If you train bodybuilding on a daily basis, you've probably heard this word from someone: steroids. A steroid is a supplement that helps build muscle, increase strength, and aid in recovery. Today, I'm going to talk about what happens to your body when you use this supplement. However, reckless use can cause various side effects in your body, especially for beginners who use it without thinking or studying. So today, I'm going to show you exactly what happens to the human body with steroid use based on science. Some benefits that can really change your body in a matter of months. First of all, you should know that not all steroids are created equal. The term steroid refers to a biologically active compound. Drugs such as corticosteroids, which help treat inflammatory, allergic, or autoimmune diseases, are also considered steroids. Corticosteroids may also be used to treat cancers such as multiple myeloma, mycosis fungoides, leukemia, or lymphoma. Other uses include treating allergic or anaphylactic reactions to medicines, foods, or insect stings, and treating serum sickness. Although many people already know that this drug is a steroid, you may be surprised to learn that cholesterol and estrogen are also steroids. All drugs have side effects, but the prejudice comes when we talk about anabolic steroids. These steroids are used to make your body bigger. They have the ability to mimic testosterone in your body. For example, a normal man produces about 4 to 9 milligrams of testosterone per day in his testicles. With the use of synthetic testosterone, this can reach up to 1,000 milligrams per week, depending on the dose you use, and your body will treat this testosterone as if it had produced it itself, causing the testosterone to enter your cells and bind to what are called androgen receptors. It then binds to the nucleus and DNA. This whole process will activate numerous genes that stimulate protein synthesis and reduce protein breakdown. And the result is clear. Your muscles will always be full of protein, which will consequently increase their growth, because to build big muscles, you need to build more protein. Imagine going from a normal level of 5 milligrams of testosterone a day to 100 milligrams. This is how steroids help muscles grow fast, and why they are so famous in the bodybuilding and fitness world. Not only do anabolic steroids improve protein production, they also increase the number of nuclei found inside muscle cells. These nuclei, called myonuclei, act to control each muscle. As a result, the more nuclei you have inside your muscles, the more likely they are to grow. And like I said, our bodies already make their own steroids. An example of this is genetics. That's why other people find it easier to gain muscle. Even without training, they already have a more developed body than others, because they have more nuclei than others. Understand that muscle fibers are limited to a maximum region that the cells can control. This region is called the myonuclear domain. When the growth of a particular muscle fiber exceeds this domain, the only way for that muscle to continue to grow is to add even more nuclei to that cell. And this process is called myonuclear addition. The problem is the time it takes for that nucleus to appear. For example, it would take months for a person who trains naturally. For these reasons, it's difficult to gain 10 kilos naturally in just 1 month. But with steroids, it's a different story. You can gain muscle much faster because you significantly increase the rate at which your body adds nucleus to your muscles. And once added, they stay there for the rest of your life, unless you get sick or lose a lot of weight. This has been proven in several studies on mice. 90 days after stopping the steroids, the muscle mass of the mice was normalized, but the extra nuclei remained. So we can see that steroids not only increase muscle mass in the short term, but also increase the ability to generate more muscle, and it becomes lifelong. Of course, if you stop using them and stop training, your mass will decrease. This is normal even without using them, but the nuclei will still be there. Remember that the use of steroids must be accompanied by a professional. There are much stronger steroids on the market that can cause damage that will last the rest of your life, which are banned for use, but there will always be someone who will influence their use. Do your research, talk to trusted professionals, and never use them thinking you'll get strong overnight. It's also worth remembering that anything in excess is bad for you. and that sometimes a drug you buy at the drugstore can have more harmful effects than a single dose of testosterone. If you'd like to see a video explaining the harmful effects of steroids or the types of steroids that are most harmful to the body, leave your comment and like below. And if you already use them, leave your experience below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next Fit Fundamentals video.